Alright, I'm going to tie this up out of the way. Further over here. This is that tight. Like that. Okay, section 13, they want you to remove the through bolt that attaches to the spindle. That's this right here. Beat it through. Here's the other side. Let's see what kind of socket you're going to need. Start. So it looks like a 21. Let's see here. Yep, it's 18 millimeter for the stabilizer end link nut. Let's turn the big guns down. Oh yeah, there she goes. See, next step after stabilizer removal. Let's see where we at. Boom. We are now at the pinch well. Put a tap in here, spread it out. Then you should be able to push down on this. So here we are up on top. Got the speaker removed that I showed you earlier. We're going to see what kind of nuts these are. Yep, it is a 13 13 millimeter. Now, it suggests that you have somebody at the bottom support the shock while you're doing this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put something under the shock.